Feel uninvited.
Ouch! Oh, hi.
A decentralized exchange is a crypto exchange which operates in a decentralized way. Without a central authority, decentralized exchanges allow peer to peer trading of cryptocurrencies and also prevent price manipulation or fake trading volume through wash trading. If you are an IDEX or Uniswap user and you want to be able to anticipate and develop better trading strategies, DEX tools will help you in a very simple way. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, we will discuss something very important about the DEX tools, and I will also tell you that how you can use the DEX tools in your trading. But first of all, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. At this time, DEX is available on CMC and there are multiple key features of DEX. Basically, DEX tools work on any device, personal computer, laptop, tablet and mobile, and buy text at exchanges and pay with it. Save your data and access them from any device.
A minute. Who are you?
And set up your live notifications. For example, if you are a trader and you want to know about any token, that at which time this token is going to dump or at which time this token is going to pump, basically DEX tools will help you. Now at this time, this token is available on multiple exchanges, especially on the MXC exchange in USDT and Ethereum pair, and also it is available on Who exchange, Hotbit exchange, IndoX and multiple exchanges. Here you can see it. First of all, it is available on MXC, Hotbit, IDEX, and I will tell you something more about the DEX tools. With the help and use of DEX tools, you can find the best gems and avoid the scams. DEX will also save you on IDEX exchange by informing you about the dumps. As I told you earlier, that it will inform you earlier if you are going to use the DEX tools. You can easily buy cheap and sell high with a bigger percentage of profits. Examine your transaction history by DEX tools. So these are basically the key features of the DEX tools. Here you can see, first of all, it is responsive, store your data, subscriptions, notifications. Now the key features are, for example, if you are basically the thing is this: if you know something about the Uniswap, you can saw over there are multiple tokens are over there, but most of the tokens are fake. Now the best thing is this, that DEX tools will help you to find out the best tokens, that which tokens are the best one and which tokens are scam tokens. So you can save your funds with the help of DEX tools. Now here you can see on the Uniswap Pool Explorer, search for new pools, adds or remove liquidity in a pair, find the best gems and avoid the scams. Hunt all the tokens in IDEX in real time, put your order and try to catch the dump. Here you can see, has anyone dumped the market? Who? Looking for big spread tokens, filter by volume, try to buy cheap and sell high with a bigger percentage of profits. IDEX wallet info, save, compare, search wallets of any user, examine your transaction history, your order, benefits. Check real-time order books of any pair in IDEX and their trading history. Watch trading teams find out this and much more. It's said that more Ethereum, the more market movement. Check the deposits and withdrawals of Ethereum in the exchange and where it comes from. DEX is offering 3 types of plans. The first one is free, the second one is basic, and the last one is premium. With the premium, you have to pay 8,000 DEX per month, and in the basic, you have to pay 5,000 DEX per month, and one month is basically free. In the basic, you will get free features included: user configuration, notifications, token catch, wallet info. And in the premium, you will get the bot also, OB search, and basic features included. Now the best part is about the rewards. What type of rewards at this time Dex is giving to us? For example, if you have 500,000 Dex tokens in your wallet, then they will give you the subscription of the basic entirely free. And if you have more than 1 million tokens, the Dex tokens in your personal wallet, then you will get the premium. The major thing is the premium plan entirely free. So it is a great thing about the rewards. So the Dex is an ERC20 token, so you can easily store your Dex token in any ERC20 sporting wallet. So it is entirely very easy. Here comes the entire supply of the Dex token and also about the circulating supply. At this time the volume is entirely high, and here you can see all the exchanges are filled up with 24-hour volume, and it is entirely high, more than I think 101.27 BTC and 3899 Ethereum. Wow, it's a great volume at this time because as per my knowledge, I think it entered up in the CMC last night. So at this time the volume is entirely high. Soon you can use the mobile app, and on the mobile app you can utilize Dex tokens in app, because basically the thing is this, that the Dex token is okay, you can say the fuel token of the mobile app and also the main platform where you can use all these things about the trading. Right now this token is available on the IDEX, Uniswap, MXC, and on the Biggie Exchange, Who Exchange, Hotbit Exchange, IndoX Exchange. Here you can see, as I told you about the reward, that if you will hold 500,000 Dex tokens, you will get the basic subscription, and if you hold 1 million Dex tokens, you will get the premium subscription entirely free. Here comes the entire team. If you want to know anything about the project, then you can directly message them on the LinkedIn. Or secondly, the best part is this, that you can easily join the social media, and the team is available for you on their social media 24/7, and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. I hope you like this video, and basically my own price prediction about this token is up to 0.1, or you can say 0.15. So right now at this time the price is entirely low, so go grab this token right now from different exchanges. I will share the link of the dextools.io, and secondly I will also share the link of the CoinMarketCap, where you can see each and everything and every move of this token. Thanks a lot.